Hi learners, welcome back to DHILK. In this video, we are going to check the two important tests for aldehyde, Tollens test and Fehling's test. Okay, so we will discuss what is Tollens test and Fehling's test and the chemistry behind these two tests and what are the difference between these two tests and how it is differentiating aldehydes and ketones. So watch the video till the end, don't skip any parts. So let's get started. So firstly, what is Tollens test and what is Fehling's test? Tollens test is nothing but when we warm aldehydes along with Tollens reagent, it will produce a bright silver mirror due to formation of silver metal. So what is Tollens reagent? Tollens reagent is ammoniacal silver nitrate. Ammoniacal silver nitrate. Okay. So basically when we warm aldehydes with ammoniacal silver nitrate, it will produce a bright silver mirror in the test tube due to the deposition of silver metal. Okay. We will discuss the chemistry behind it. Okay. Before that, we can just check what is Fehling's test. Fehling's test is when we heat aldehydes with Fehling's reagents, it will produce a reddish brown precipitate. It will produce a reddish brown precipitate. What is Fehling's reagent? Fehling's reagent is a mixture of Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. So what is Fehling solution A? Fehling solution A is a copper sulfate, while Fehling solution B is alkaline sodium potassium tartarate. So Fehling solution B is alkaline sodium potassium tartarate, which is also known as Rochelle salt. So what is Fehling's test? When first you have to mixture the Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B, that is Fehling reagent. So when you heat aldehydes with Fehling's reagents, it will produce a brown precipitate. Okay, that is Fehling's test. Now what is the chemistry behind this and why silver mirror and the brown precipitate is forming? Actually, in Tollens test, when we are warming aldehyde with ammoniacal silver nitrate, this is ammoniacal silver nitrate, Tollens reagents. Okay, Tollens reagent. In a basic medium, it will oxidize aldehydes into carboxylic acid. Okay, it will oxidize aldehydes into carboxylic acid. At the same time, the Tollens reagent, the silver will get reduced. Okay, silver will get reduced into silver metal. So because of the precipitation, because of the formation of this silver metal, we are getting the silver mirror in Tollens test. Okay, so in Tollens test, what is happening? Aldehydes are getting oxidized into carboxylate ion and the ammoniacal silver is getting reduced into silver metal. Okay. Now in Fehling's test, what is happening? Aldehydes on treating with Fehling's reagents, aldehydes will be oxidized into carboxylate anion and copper will be reduced into Cu2O. So because of that, it will produce reddish brown precipitate. Clear? These two reactions are to distinguish between aldehydes and ketones. Ketones will not undergo this reaction because in these two reagents, Tollens reagents and Fehling's reagent, both are mild oxidizing agent. And we know ketones need strong oxidizing agents to undergo oxidation reaction because in aldehydes there is, what is the structure of aldehyde? RCOH, while in ketones the structure is RCO, R or R dash. So in aldehydes there is an hydrogen atom. So we can oxidize aldehydes using mild oxidizing agents, while for ketones we need strong oxidizing agent. So aldehydes will undergo Tollens and Fehling's test. Ketones cannot undergo Tollens and Fehling's test. But one more point is that Fehling's test can be used only for aliphatic aldehydes. It cannot be used for aromatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes will not give Tollens test. Okay. Now, what are the differences between these two? What is Tollens reagent? Ammoniacal silver nitrate. In Fehling's test, it is Fehling solution A and B. What are the compositions? AgNO3 silver nitrate with ammoniacal silver nitrate. Ammoniacal silver nitrate is AgNH3 twice plus. Okay, and valence reagents are copper sulfate plus alkaline sodium potassium tartarate. So what is the reaction medium in Tollens test? It is mildly basic, while in Fehling's test it is strongly alkaline. And we have done that video, what is the difference between base and alkane. If you guys didn't watch that video, you can just click the I button and you can watch. And next is, in Tollens test, a silver mirror will be formed due to the formation of silver metal, and in Fehling's test a reddish brown or brick red precipitate will be formed due to formation of Cu2O. And Tollens test is positive for all types of aldehydes, while Fehling test is positive for aliphatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes will not give this reaction. Ketones are negative for both of this reaction, but alpha hydroxy ketones can give this test. Okay, and in both of these tests, aldehydes are oxidized into carboxylate ion, while at the same time in Tollens test, aldehyde reduces silver ion into silver metal, and in Fehling's test, aldehyde reduces Cu2 plus into Cu plus 1. So these are the differences and similarities between Tollens test and Fehling test. I hope you got these points. Okay, so make sure rewatch this video if needed, practice the concepts, get fully comfortable before moving on. If you are a class 11 or 12 NCERT student and want complete materials, notes, tips, tricks or live classes, one-on-one sessions, visit our website or contact us through the number. Check the description box or comment section for more details. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.